Hey, my name is Fred, and I'll be showing you how to use the Virtual Writing Tutor, a great internet site that will help you perfectizing your English. I've been studying social sciences for 4 years now. Yes, I already had my year off. What I like about this program is the big variety of human problems that I've reached, and I love how it prepares me to the university. As I want to get a law degree, I think social sciences is a good background. It initiated me to humans' universal issues. As I have my dream, for sure I would like to become a barrister of the High Courts of England, but if I want to stay in the realms of reality, I'll tell you that I want to be a criminal attorney. If so, I will be likely to have English clients, which means that I'll have to write clauses in English. I can't use a bad English, because I'll never get huge contracts. So if I want my English to be as clean as my French, I'll need my own resources. So let's show you the website. First, you need to open a new tab, and in the URL bar, you write virtualwritingtutor.com. And here is a, oh, sorry for that, missing a T. And there it is. Here we are. We've got a nice and simple logo in the top left corner of the screen. It's right under there's the navigation menu that will allow you to learn more about the website's features. Right under, above the middle of the screen, there are the instructions in blue helping you to getting through the website. In the middle of the screen, there is the text area, in which you have to type the text that you want to check. On the right hand side of the screen, there is a microphone button, a text-to-speech button, an MP3 uploader, and a document uploader. The microphone and speech buttons are really helpful if you need to improve your English speaking and pronunciation. Under the text area, at the bottom of the screen in the middle, there are lots of buttons that will help you to check your English. As I want to become a lawyer, my favorite tool will be the grammar checker, right there. Let's have an example. I have eat all the raspberries that I found yesterday. Now, click on the check grammar buttons, and here all your errors are explicated one by one. The feedback gives you the tips to understand why you did the error and how not to do it again. That's why I don't consider this site as a casual correcting website. It's more like an online robot teacher. If you're not sure about the pronunciation of a word, you can type the word that you want to check. Let's say a hard word. Word checks. Then you click on the speaker button on the right hand side of the screen.
Worcestershire.
There you go. With this tool, I'll be sure to say with ease complicated English words in the court, and I won't get fooled. So that was it. Hope you liked the site.